words are hurtful.
Okay.
I'm taking the bus, and you will not see me at the pancake social tomorrow.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
The game was awesome last night.
We got crushed, dude. Awesome, good.
Now then.
Saints are getting good, huh?
Shotgun formation.